Happy birthday, Nay. I hope you have a great time and I hope you enjoy this very special day of yours. You deserve all this and remember that we love you so much. Happy birthday!
Hi Nay, happy birthday. Wish ko kanimo is good health and long life hasta pirmi kang magparot ka naman kung kukunan ka na mag-slow down kasi dato nga ni para ra kanimo dato.
Hello, Nai. Happy birthday. We love you so much. Thank you for everything. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday po, Ma'am Merly. Hello, Merly. Happy birthday and many more years to celebrate.
Hi to kaya, Merlina. Happy birthday. God bless you. May you have more birthdays to come.
Hi, Merly. Happy birthday.
Nang Merly, have a wonderful birthday. I wish you good health always and long life happiness in life. God bless.
Happy birthday, Manang Merly. Wish you all the best, good health, happiness, everything good in life.
Happy birthday, Mer. Salamat sa pag-invite mo sa akin, sa amin, sa birthday mo. Sana maghabang pa ang iyong buhay. Enjoy lang.
It's like running through an open door. It's like finding what you're looking for. We've been waiting, we won't wait no more. Every season, every memory made
I just want to express my heartfelt gratitude. We are so blessed to call you a mom. Impabawal mo kaming mga maliliban. Impabawal mo kaming maging humble. At saka, importante ang pagto sa Diyos. And kung ano no kami manda dito, nga kaninong darwan ni tatay, sinong paggugma ka naman, intaguyo din do kami nga maging makatapos tanan sa pagadal, masking ang unang timpo makuri, pero you have tried your best kung ano no kami manda dito nga sa indong pagsakripisyo. So you deserve all of this. This is the least that we can do to say to the world that we are very blessed to have you at the time. On behalf of my siblings, sa tanan ako mga buktitinay, matmang salamat nay sa tanan-tanan ninyong sakripisyo ka naman.
Are you guys ready? Palakpakan naman natin yung ating mga magagandang bilang. Ladies and gentlemen, let's start our Miss Holiday Suite with our candidate number 1. Rampa! Oh, talaga. Oh, ha? Kita nyo yan? Ayan na. Oh, wow! Parang expert talaga si Mama. Alright, then punta mo sa gitna. Ayan. Candidate number 1. Wow! Talaga naman! Sabi ko sa inyo. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Ayan na nga. Alright. Wow! Talaga. Long gown competition na agad. Wow. Alright. Candidate number 4. Ikaw po ba? Ay, talaga! Yan! Ay, saan po kayo? Saan kayo napunta na? Dito.
Yan, nakita ko talaga yung pagmamahal ng tatay na kahit anong hirap, anong makuryenta na siyempre, we know na si tatay nagkaroon siya ng kidney problem. So, every dialysis na alam niyo naman, pag sa dialysis, really, mahirap talaga. Kung lahat ng sakripisyo niya sa hindi mo makikita na kay nanay na yung parang nawawalan siya ng namihina, hindi mo makikita talaga siya, nandun pa rin siya, naging malakas para kay tatay. Kaya nakita ko talaga yung ganun na sakripisyo ginawa sa kaya yung ko lang sabihin sa kanya na maraming salamat para sa kanang mga mabubuktitinay. Siguro, we know na ganun na magpapawal ka naman sa mga buktitinay. But sa lahat ng sakripisyo niya, sila ni tatay, I just want to thank you. Salamat, Nay. We love you.
And so we thank God and we remember all the good things that she has done, especially in raising 5 very accomplished and musical children. Congratulations, Auntie Merly. Happy 75th birthday, and we wish you the fulfillment of all your wishes.
Kung may sasalangan ako pong role model as a strong woman, sinanay ko ang pirming number 1 luwas sa isip. And sana po, tawan ka pa ni Lordy, malabot na kabuhi and mabastig na kalawasan. Thank you.
Mayad nga gabi ka nindong tanan. Nagapasalamat ako sa tiyempo ngayon doon yung tao kanakon nga maki-celebrate sa kang birthday, 75 birthday. Matamang salamat kanindo sa kang mga kaiban sa prayer kay Governor, sa nang misis, sa tanan-tanan kay Attorney Guy Kinanit. Sa tanan-tanan hindi ko masambit.
All the years seem so long, like steering in the dark. Call me by name, call me out over distant waves. Lead me where the lighthouse stands upon the shoreline. Here I am, here I stand, here I am. There's life and hope tomorrow. Here I am, here I stand. It's another day for all to come. Bring me home, bring me through the storm. Though the waves misbehave, they're calming down. Keep my heart and lead me on. Lead me where the lighthouse stands upon the shore.